Pfaff is known for the IDT system. That is the little extra guy that comes down at the behind the machine and acts like a walking foot or a dual feed. Now, here's how you know when you need to use it. Number one, if your presser foot that you have on the machine has the cutout in the back, this foot, you must use the IDT. You can have it engaged while you put the foot on, so it easily goes on whether it's engaged or not. And what does it do? It actually helps, it's like having feed dogs on the top of your fabric. So it helps keep everything going nice and even. If you've got fabric that's wavy, it's going to control the fabric from being stretched out. If you're working with batting, it's going to help keep all those layers together, the top layer, the back layer, and the batting in between. Those are going to just work flawlessly. But your machine is going to tell you on screen whether you will be using the IDT or not. So for example, if it tells you to use foot 2A, you notice there is not a groove in the back of this foot. So the IDT needs to be disengaged when this foot is required. And that's a lot of times where the decorative stitches are in use, and all it has to do is sit back here. Same thing for free motion stitching or sewing on buttons. All it does, it just sits back behind the machine and out of the way until you need it for one of the feet that requires the IDT to be engaged.